Hello YouTube, we have a package today and this is one of my Christmas presents, and so I got my presents a little bit late, but that's good, so we get to have a little late Christmas. So we're going to get this, opening this package, get right into it and see what we have, and I'll be right back. Alright, here we are back, and got some little popcorn and nice little package. Wrapped it up in a little bit of paper towel. This is an off of eBay. I got this, and what they are a couple of micro trains in scale. They're a couple box cars, and they are KCS, Kansas City Southern box cars, the black and red and yellow stripe. City Southern. So that's one of the packages that I will be opening up. The other ones will be in pretty soon, and we'll be showing you what we're going to have next.